How to use Microsoft Copilot. So whether you're in Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, Teams, or Business Chat, Copilot is right there beside you, ready to assist you. It's like having a virtual partner who can effortlessly create documents, compose email, design presentations, generate meeting summaries, and bring you up to speed with the information you may have missed. But how does Copilot achieve all this? It's powered by large language models, or LLMs, trained on vast amounts of public data such as books, articles, and websites. These models understand language, context, and meaning, allowing you to interact with them using natural language prompts. Imagine asking Copilot a question or providing a statement as a prompt. The LLM analyzes your prompts, taps into an extensive knowledge, and generates a response tailored to your query. For each interaction, Copilot gains more context, making the conversation more informative and engaging. You might wonder about the privacy of your data. Rest assured, Copilot respects your privacy and data security. It only retains a conversation with that specific session and doesn't use your interactions to train the model. Your data remains safe and confidential. Now, let's explore the core components of Copilot. It utilizes large language models hosted in the Microsoft Cloud, but it's important to know that Copilot has its own private instances of these models. Additionally, a powerful orchestration engine seamlessly integrates Copilot's capabilities into various Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot collaborates with Microsoft Search, enabling it to retrieve information to enhance its responses. Moreover, the Microsoft Graph, a fundamental part of the Microsoft 365, provides valuable insights into your organization's data, respecting your access permissions and ensuring that Copilot generates responses based on accurate and authorized information. Picture yourself in Microsoft Teams, asking Copilot about recent activities involving a specific project. Instead of directly querying the large language model, Copilot intelligently searches the Microsoft Graph for relevant content, including emails, project files, and sharing actions. It compiles and cites the sources, delivering a concise response while saving you valuable time and effort. But Copilot's capabilities don't end there. In Word, it can generate an entirely new document like a business proposal by analyzing your existing files and combining them with its knowledge of document structure and writing. This generates a first draft, allowing you to start your work quickly. Remember, the enterprise data used to generate informed responses is solely present as part of your prompt to the large language model. Copilot doesn't retain this data or use it to train the models. The retrieved information is based on your individual data access and permissions, ensuring the utmost privacy and security. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.